Welcome. Today I'm going to show you my Airbnb and I'm going to show you what I do to make it ready for my next guest. The first thing I do is I come through and I make sure that everything is still functional. I kind of make an assessment what I need to do. This guest left it really nice, but I still have to clean everything. And by everything, I mean take the sofa cushions out, move all the rugs, turn on the TVs, make sure they work, make sure the batteries are working in the remotes, make sure that I do the dishes, clean the sink, make sure that the microwave gets cleaned. There's some stuff in there. I also need to clean the fridge, make sure there's nothing. I also noticed since it's been raining, I don't know if you can see that, the floor is really bad. And we move on to the bathroom, and obviously everything needs to be cleaned in here. Clean the mirrors, the bedroom sheets, take everything off, wash everything, do the rugs, make sure that the closet is empty and restocked with hangers. This is what I have to begin with. Now, last night I already put the spare set of sheets here. I also had an extra mattress protector. I highly recommend you have extras of everything because it makes it quicker when you turn your unit over. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the TVs, make sure they work. Vinegar water spray for the floors. There's some water marks from the rain, people coming in and out. So I'm gonna treat that in my most comfortable house cleaning attire, and I'm gonna get to work. So that's it. The suite is ready. Everything is nice and clean. Ready for my next guest. Kitchen has all the things. Bedroom is ready. vacuum, extra chair, toaster oven. Pleased with the way everything looks. Ready for our new guests. I'd stay here.